Okay, again from outside. There's the kitchen where we went in before. This cabinet is not going to be here. I don't know what this is. This is a vacuum closet. I don't know. This is 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms.
No, that's a bathroom. That's the public bathroom.
This is the public bathroom. This is a bedroom.
The bathroom is attached into that bedroom, but there's just another door for people who are.
It's access to this bathroom. Oh God. Here's the kitchen. Closet. Closet.
Oh, pantry.
Pantry. Dom's room again. We'll look at the bathroom if we didn't. Here's his closet. And here's his bathroom. Very nice. Shower. Outside. Here's the window. No bed. Dom doesn't have a bed yet. Here's the living room. The TV. That's the balcony from the loft that I showed you before. Here's 2 other bedrooms. 1, 2. This one's open because of the mystery tenant who was still here when Dom got here. And here's how you go outside. This beautiful deck. Very loud with the central air unit, but it's a beautiful view. Absolutely beautiful view. And not too long of a way down, dangerous enough. Just beautiful view. This thing is so loud. And that's it.